I have a review video for you guys. This is the GreenWorks Electrical Lawn Mower, and I'm going to talk about all the specs. I'm going to get into how it works mowing the lawn and all that good stuff, so just continue watching. Okay, so this is the 16-inch, and what means it's a 16-inch deck, so it goes 16 inches wide. So when you're mowing the lawn, you're going to have that 16-inch wide. So depending on which one you get, depending on how wide it's going to be. This is the 10 amp motor, so it does have a 10 amp motor. There is one that I believe it's 12. It's a little bit bigger than this, but this is the 10 amp. It does also say it's a 2-in-1, and then we're going to check that out in a second. But I did want to let you guys know that it is 5 different levels. Right now, I usually leave it on the second level, but if I wanted to, I could drop it all the way down to 1. The lower you go, the lower the machine goes. So this was a 2, this is 3 now, this is 4, and then this is 5. This is the big boy. That's if you have your lawn is pretty long. So depending on how you like it, how short you want it, I like it at number 2. I think that's perfect for the lawn that I have. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back on number 2. I do still have it unplugged because I wanted to show you guys the blades. And another thing, so I've had this for 6 years, believe it or not. I 100% trust in this brand. I trust this lawnmower right here. I definitely recommend it. But with that said, I have not switched out the blade. So this is still the original blade from 6 years ago. Okay, it still works like a champ. If I wanted to, I could replace the blade, but it still works. I love it, and we're gonna continue with that blade until it stops working for me. Okay, so let's get into the handle real quick. So the cool thing I like about the handles is all you have to do is lift on them. You lift on this side, it has 2, and it just go ahead and you could fold this over like so, and then it's easier for storing. Okay, so I do store it in that way, but since we're going to be showing you how to mow the lawn, we're going to put it right back over there. Okay, I'm going to get into the motor in a second. I do want to show you guys how the bag works. Okay, so when you're mowing the lawn, all the shreds go in here, and to remove it, all you have to do is pull up on this. Then you could dump it out, put it right back, and it's good to go. This is spring, so the spring's going to have this nice and tight, so you don't have to worry about that falling out. Okay, so this is the plug right here. And then you're already gonna have to have a good enough extension cord just to make sure you're able to mow your lawn. So I would recommend you get a little bit bigger than what you need. And then all you have to do is plug this in like so. Okay, so now it is ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to start it. And you do wanna have your safety glasses on. And then, like I said, it is corded. So what I like to do with the cord is that I usually keep it around my neck like this. That way you're not worrying about having the blades shred the cord. That's going to be a big no-go. Okay, so to turn it on, all you have to do is push this button right here. You're going to hold it down, and then all you have to do is pull on here. Pull on this lever, and it's going to start automatically. The cool thing I like about having a corded versus gasoline or even battery power, the gasoline could run out and it's a lot more noisier, and the battery could also run out, and the battery, I believe, is not as powerful. So when you're dealing with the electricity here, you are good to go. This is unlimited. So I'm going to turn it on to show you guys how it works and how it sounds. Okay, so remember, push the button and then pull the lever. This lawnmower is usually for a smaller lawn. If you have a huge lawn, you might want to look at another lawnmower, but this one's perfect for what I have right here. And I have been letting my grass and my weeds grow, as you guys can see right here. Hopefully the neighbors are not mad at me, but I am gonna mow the lawn here. You guys can check it out real quick. And I'm also gonna show you guys how to dump out the bag, so continue watching. As you guys can see, I have my hands cut out for me, no pun intended. And so now I just want to show you guys how the bag looks. So I usually undo it here on the grass because, let me close this. I usually do it on the grass because, you know, the grass could fall out. If you did it on the concrete, the grass might be everywhere. So I usually undo it here on the grass. I mean, that's what it looks like right here. All you have to do is grab the handle that they have for you and then just dump it out. Nothing crazy. Okay, as you guys can see, it is ready. Let me clip this. Now it's ready to go again. All we have to do is hook it And then the flap, like I said, it's spring loaded, so all we have to do is clip it and then we can start right back up again. You guys, this is the finished product. I think it cut the grass beautifully. Now I have to get the weed whacker, but as far as the grass goes, it is nice and trimmed now. My neighbors are not going to be mad at me anymore.